Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I'm so excited. I just got these 2 boxes in the mail. They came all the way from India. So does that give you a clue what's inside? These are the new releases from Creativation 2020 from Little Birdie Crafts. And I met Harish at Creativation 2018 and was instantly impressed with this company. They do gorgeous work and they're good people, and we've had a relationship. I was on their design team and back and forth. So Rashmi and Harish are just 2 of my favorite people in the world, and I've been dying to get into this box. I split the tape, but I haven't opened the lid. So let's take a look and see what is inside. Ooh la la. Oh my goodness. Beautiful new papers. I saw these in their Facebook Live from Creative World in Frankfurt. But this is my first chance to see them. Wow. Okay. So this first one that's on top is called Boho Dreams. This is like a lush tropical garden. And look at the images. This is really beautiful. I'll open the 6x6. This is really heavy. This is like 110-pound paper. So you could probably do mixed media or whatever you wanted. And you know what I like? It's single-sided. Are you like me? I agonize over which side of double-sided paper to use. Look, unicorns. Oh my goodness, this stuff is, look at that, dream catchers. This is a great kind of fruit punch and tangerine and cream and pink color palette. And these papers are thick. Wow. Oh gosh, look at all the cute little medallions. So you could just about cut this out, stick it on a card, and you're done. But look, fussy cuts. Oh my gosh, feathers, butterflies, antlers. How sweet is this? I can't wait. Can't wait to play with it. I love these feathers. Wow, this is a gorgeous collection. I love wood panels. That's beautiful. Just a really great micro dot faded back there. That's gorgeous. And this wonderful, just blended background. Oh my, that's going to be fun to make cards with. And of course the 12x12 is the same patterns, just in a 12x12 format. So the next one we have is Celebrate Life. Oh goodness, let's open the 12x12 on this one so we can really see the images and the patterns better. I can't get over how beautiful and heavy this cardstock is. It's really good quality. Oh wow, this is precious. Look at this, the little roses and banners, cupcakes. Oh my word. The birds and the butterflies. You know me and my birds, you guys. Wow. Again, dream catchers. Just beautiful floral clusters. I love, these are punch outs. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you just punch these out. Instant card focal. That's genius. And then these are just quick and easy 3x4 cut aparts for instant cards. Lots and lots of borders and fussy cuts and little tags. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at the pink wood grain. A lovely faded dot. Really sweet cameras. This collection is gorgeous. And of course it comes in 6x6 as well. So next up we have True Love. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Cute, cute, cute. Let's take a look. This is the first time I've seen these guys, so you're seeing them at the same time I am. Oh, look how sweet for like engagement. or Valentine's Day, bridal showers. Look at that. Oh, how sweet. I love the silhouette images. Oh, bicycles with heart balloons. Oh, this is really pretty. I love this shabby door. That's gorgeous. The Eiffel Tower. This is a beautiful color palette. More of these wonderful 3x4s. This is so great for card makers. Then these wonderful punch-out doilies. I just love that those are punch-out. That's awesome. And then great cut-apart. Ooh, this pretty gray with the gold in it. That's gorgeous. Another really wonderful faded, this is like little hearts. And then this distressed page is beautiful. And then an all over collage, word collage. Love that. That's gorgeous. And that comes with a 6x6. Poppies and roses. I love poppies. I am really impressed by the quality of this paper. Oh my word. This is just gorgeous. Look at this, the border treatment. Wow. Rashmi, girl, you outdid yourself on this one. I can't wait to cut into this one. This might be the first one I play with. This is stunning. Oh, look at these. What a beautiful collection. The sentiments on these are so nice. Look, clocks, little arbors, floral wreaths, gorgeous cut-aparts. Really pretty. I love the wood grain. And then this is so great for backgrounds. Oh my goodness. And look at these poppies. Wow. And I wish you could feel how thick this paper is. This is gorgeous. Wow. Wow. And of course it comes also in a 6x6. Now we're at birds and berries. This is such a pretty color palette. This is all these really beautiful pinks and purples. Wow. Oh, look how sweet this is. This looks like watercolors. Oh, this is beautiful. Sweet little birdhouse. I love papers that have these corner treatments in them because they make such great layering elements. Oh, look at the sweet little birds. Yeah, this looks like watercolor, y'all. It is stunning. Just beautiful. Look at all these sweet little doilies. Oh my goodness, no wonder your booth was so crowded at Creative World. These are stunning. I want to stop and look for a long time. Ooh, I love the blueberries. Oh, that's gorgeous. And again, I'm so happy that they're just one-sided because I hate having to cut into a pretty paper. Look at the damask. That's beautiful. Wow. That's a stunning collection, and it comes also in the 6x6. And then this is Songs of the Sea, and here's the 6x6. You know me and my blues. I love the blues. So let me see if I can find the opening for this. Also, I want to tell you these bags, the poly bags that they're packed in, are really sturdier than what you usually get. So I think you can probably store the collections in this, which is really nice. Look at this, the mermaid, musical notes. Boy, gorgeous. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. This is a stunner. I bet this was a really popular one at Creative World. Look at the music note. Just this wonderful burlap print with the wood grain over it. Cute, the mermaid on a fishhook. That is so cute. And you could even use this over here for a masculine card, so that's nice. Water bubbles. Oh, beautiful. Look at these blues and purples and indigos. Wow. The doilies on this are exquisite. Lighthouses, shells, mermaids, the compass rose. Wonderful fussy cuts for layering elements, and then the 3x4s. Wow. Wow, I don't know where to start. These are all so gorgeous. I can't believe it. And here's another one, Shabby Chic Boutique, which sounds like it's right up my alley. So we'll open this one. And this also comes with a 6x6. So I did the Songs of the Sea. I love this soft vintage color palette. Look at these roses. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Look how sweet. This is beautiful. And look, it's got kind of like a heart shape. That is a gorgeous pattern. Very soft and delicate, very vintage. This beautiful dot and lace. Yeah, this is beautiful. Look at this crocheted lace with the netting background. That's a gorgeous page. Wow. How lovely. These doilies are just beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to play. I gotta sharpen my scissors. I'm gonna get through this so I can start playing. Look at these. Wow. Okay, so then this is the second box. I know, right? It's like Christmas in February. Look at this. These are the flowers that go with the paper collections. Look at these clusters. I love when they do this because they've already done all the heart. The hardest thing about flowers is positioning them properly, and these are already done. You just add these onto your project and you're good to go. These will be gorgeous with the Songs of the Sea. And I love these itty bitty little pearl center flowers. You can do so much with those. Wow, chipboard. Oh my goodness, look at these gorgeous laser cut chipboards. And Little Birdie chipboard is all primed. So you don't have to seal it. You can just add embossing powder, paint, distress inks, oxide inks. Ooh, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at the colors in these gorgeous roses. I remember the first time I walked into the Little Birdie booth at Creativation in 2018 or 17. I can't remember which it was, but anyway, I think it was 17. I've had a friendship with Rashmi and Harish for a long time now. I could not get over the flowers. The beauty of the flowers and the chipboard. Look at this gorgeous gate. It just took my breath away. It just completely took my breath away. Look at the bird cage. Oh my, these are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These have a little bit of sparkle on them. These will be so pretty with that Songs of the Sea. Look at this beautiful little bouquet all put together already. All you have to do is add it to the project. And I love their boxes of flowers because these you can mix and match and make truly beautiful. They have the leaves and the foliage in them too, which I think is so important for a flower arrangement, that you have the foliage. It just makes it look more lifelike. Look at the centers on these. These look like dahlias. These are gorgeous. Wow, look at that. How beautiful. And these waterfall packs are great because in the top one, you've got like your large flowers and your rosebuds. Then back here you've got flat, and then down here you've got foliage. So you can do wonderful arrangements with that. Beautiful little greenery to tuck into the arrangements. So I'll have to do a tutorial with this and show you. Oh, look at this cute little mason jar. That's adorable. Show you how I use these in an actual project. Look at these with the burlap string. Wow. Wow, thank you so much, Little Birdie. What a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous selection of flowers and papers. And Little Birdie has some really big news as well. So many of you have asked me, where can we get these? Where can we get these? And there are a few retailers that carry Little Birdie in their shops, but they had so many letters from all of y'all that they've decided to open a U.S. warehouse in 2020. So they're launching that today, and you will be able to go, and I'll have the address and I'll caption it below here so that you can go to Little Birdie Crafts here in the U.S. and order, and you won't have to order such a large quantity because it will be based here. So I need to go get my craft on. What an amazing haul. Thank you, Rashmi and Harish. Welcome to the U.S. I know you're going to be wildly successful. So many of my friends have said, where can we get Little Birdie? So they're going to be thrilled to be able to go to your store. And I'm going to be partnering with Rashmi and Harish, sharing new releases, projects, way to use it on my YouTube channel. So watch for that. There's more coming. And now I really do have to go get my craft done. This is late Christmas. Bye, y'all.